What's going on, everybody? Mish with Mish's Motorsports. It's been quite some time since we've done anything, but we're going to try to keep up with as much of our documentary videos as we go with the drift racing program and try to make our way towards the pros. So we've just received some goodies, and we're actually making some room work where we can have a little bit of our new parts come in. As you know, the 1JZ and the 2JZ swaps have some known cooling concerns, so we've been trying to attack that as much as we possibly can. I've actually upgraded to Derale 13-inch cooling fans, which push 4,000 CFM. I think we'll be good to go from there. And then we've got a few other things, like our good old Rock Auto. We've got a brand new rack and pinion. And we have our good old Koyo Rad here as well. We're switching out from the dual Mishimoto Slim fans, which put out about 2,500 CFM combined. And we're switching up to the Derale 13-inch fans. These are more for a racing application. These put out 2,000 CFM a piece, so we'll be at like 4,000 CFM easily. And then we got some good old goodies from Officer Dan over at GKTech, starting to work my way towards some of his products. We went ahead and changed up our power steering pump brace. We went with the excessive mounting bracket with AC delete. Let's see if we can get in here. So we're gonna cut out this old radiator support, and we've got some new square tubes, so that way we can go ahead and take our radiator and lean it a bit more forward, probably almost like a reverse upside down V-mount to the intercooler. That way we can have some clearance space with our fans. And then at the same time, instead of having our oil cooler mounted here that we busted, actually I went ahead and I had to replace this as well too. About a week ago we smashed it up pretty good. But we're gonna go ahead and get our coolers mounted in here. So I'm gonna have my oil cooler mounted towards this side. And then eventually, once I get a power steering cooler, I'm gonna go ahead and have one mounted right next to it, and so we'll have good symmetry to go along with it as well too. And we'll get rid of this old lower radiator mounting bracket, so I'm gonna free up some space. But other than that, right now that's about it. And then we've gone ahead and switched over to our good old oval exhaust tubing. Finally, this is one section that we got from Boyce or Boyce, not sure how you pronounce it, but 3-inch oval piping, because we've completely mangled and destroyed our 3-inch round pipe that we have underneath the vehicle. We've also finally got our hands on a good old DeWalt chop saw, 10-inch, so pretty stoked and happy about that. Father's Day gift to myself. And we've finally taken the time to make some space, so got some garage space over here. Yeah, stay tuned, and we'll get this stuff all buttoned up and ready to rock, and we'll see how everything runs. More parts and goodies on the way. Thank you guys. Mish Motorsports out.